Excel TBILLEQ function. This function returns the bond equivalent yield for a Treasury bill, allowing you to compare it with coupon bonds. The syntax is TBILLEQ with parameters settlement, maturity, and discount. There are three arguments: settlement, the T-bill's settlement date; maturity, the T-bill's maturity date; and discount, the T-bill's discount rate. Here's an example. We have a Treasury bill with a settlement date of March 31, 2016, a maturity date of June 1, 2016, and a discount rate of 9.14%. The formula is TBILLEQ of B2, B3, B4. The TBILLEQ function returns approximately 9.42%. This is the bond equivalent yield, which converts the T-bill's discount rate into a yield that can be compared directly with coupon-bearing bonds. Watch out for common errors. A value error occurs when any argument is non-numeric or when the dates are invalid. A num error occurs when the discount rate is less than or equal to 0, or when the maturity date is more than 1 year after the settlement date. Key points to remember. TBILLEQ converts a T-bill discount rate to a bond equivalent yield for comparison with coupon bonds. The formula is 365 times the discount divided by 360 minus the discount times DSM, where DSM is the number of days from settlement to maturity. Related functions include T-bill price for T-bill price and T-bill yield for T-bill yield. The maturity date cannot exceed 1 year from settlement. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.